Hey folks, just wanted to give you a quick update of what I got from my bus. It's not what you think. You're going to be surprised. So this is what I got from my bus. I got a trailer. A enclosed trailer. Probably can't see that much right there. Here you go. Here's the... Let's get out here where we can see it better. So this is what I got. It's a 7x15 enclosed cargo trailer, V-nose, tandem wheels, electric brake, side entrance, semi doors on the back, my Harley trike is going to be going in this. Let me open the door here. Give me a minute. There we go. So here you go. This is my trailer. I'm going to be pulling behind my bus. Very nice trailer. See if I can get the door to stay open. There we go. So very nice. Trike will sit over here. I'm probably going to put my spare to my bus right here. And then next to that, or maybe actually my secondary freshwater tank, my refill for my bus right there, be about 50 gallon. Next to that, probably be my spare for my bus. And then all along here, where you see the seam, I'll put shelving. And then up front, I'm going to have, let's get it, see, I don't want to step in there because I don't have any support on the bottom yet. And I might tip the front of the trailer up. But so up front is going to be a bench top. We'll put it from that corner there to there, and then I can have storage underneath, and put my drill press on the front on it, and a few other bench top devices. And then right down there by the door is going to be my generator, so I can just reach in if I need to and turn it on. But I'm also going to get a kit for my generator that lets me start it remotely, so I can start it from inside the bus. It'll have like a little antenna sticking out the top of the roof or the side or whatever, that will get the signal and start it. And with that kit, it also has an automatic electric choke, and then it has a switch for power. So, you know, it's gonna be nice. And then it also has a switch for the eco mode. So anyhow, I'll have a link in the description to this kit, and then here's a picture right here. Anyhow, I got it from Fort Worth, bought it in Fort Worth. Got a good price. It's a 2004, but very happy with it so far. Anyhow, I just figured I'd show you my new addition. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, let your friends know, and most importantly, like and share. So until next time, be safe. Thanks for watching.